Big trade in soybean swing, big gap up. A lot of times these trends continue overnight, and that's the advantage of swing strategies. Got in yesterday at 1063. We had the news, a lot of chop around there. Came close to getting stopped out. We have a fairly tight stop in here. I think about a half a point or a point away from getting stopped out. But sometimes you get stuffed out, and then other times you don't. So that's just the balance of trading. Exit 1113 and a half, and so nice gains on that. You see the daily results 1162.50 and 1337.50 are the daily profit, which includes the last 2 days of trading profits. And you see before that there were some losers, as any system has winners and losers. And here's the equity curve, another new equity peak. So nice trade. We talked about that this weekend. So it's a hot market if you want to trade soybeans. If you don't want to swing trade it, you can day trade it. Taking a look at soybeans day trader 3 at equity peaks today. After this yesterday, we exited on a trailing stop loss in the during the news event, and so there was a crop report yesterday, and it does similar to the FOMC moves, where it goes up, down, up, and then it continued higher, and then today it's short, so we'll see how this trade plays out. The jury is still out on that. If we have another 25 minutes or so left in this trade, and we're short at 1113 and a half. So a lot of good price action in soybeans. If you want to trade soybeans, you can day trade it with soybeans day trader 3. You can swing trade it with the swing trade strategy that I just showed you, and this is inclusive of slippage and commission, as you can see that. And let's see, yeah, it's inclusive of $25 round turn slippage and commission. So the average trade profit without slippage and commission is $84, and it's a good average trade profit for a day trade system. And so if you're looking to diversify into non-financials, soybeans is the way to go, as it is a good market that moves well and is day tradable. And I expect the second half of this year to heat up. This tends to do better in the second half. In recent years anyways, you can't really tell by looking at this monthly, but in recent years these strategies have done better in the second half of the year. I flipped over to the swing trade strategy. I was thinking more of the swing trade strategy when I said that. You see the average annual monthly profit, or not annual, average annual, the average monthly profit is higher from June through December than it is in the first part of the year. It's kind of a 3-figure average in January through May on average monthly, and then you get the 4 figures pretty much on average in June through December, except for August, which is almost there, and then November for some reason the average isn't there. But this is only going back 10 years, and so you're only averaging 10 months, and so it can mean revert, and these could be the best months and these could be the worst months. I wouldn't take a statistic like this. I'm just basically saying I wouldn't take a statistic like this and say, okay, I won't trade it in November, because that could be the November you miss. But look, this month it's been extremely hot, 1, 2, 3, and then 5K, and so it's heating up, and you can see the losing streaks at the beginning of 2015, and then the pattern for this. So take a look at this strategy. If you're looking for another market to trade, soybeans is one to consider.